Hello everyone friends, Valar here. Today I'll show how to download and install BSL shaders for Minecraft. Open your browser and search for BSL shaders. Go to the site, click Files and select the version you need. Let's go with 1.21.4, for example. Click Download. Next we need Optifine. Let's go there. Download it. Here we need version 1. 21.4. Download it. Now it's downloading. Oops. And here's another download starting. Click Skip, then Download. These two files are all we need. I'll move them to the desktop. Got it. Now, to install everything, open Start, click Run, type %appdata%. Click OK, open the mods folder. Oh, Minecraft. Open the mods folder and put our Optifine here. Shaders aren't needed yet. Then go to the shader packs folder and put our shaders there. Now, launch Minecraft version 1.21.4, in my case with Forge. Then enable shaders in the settings. This has been Valor. Bye everyone.